Hello, welcome to Online Learning Box, and here I'm going to draw a scooter icon. Here you can see this is preference icon, and going to preference I'm change some guideline, and here 5 pixels. Here you can see this what key I strokes in the screen, control and colon at a time. So here I'm going to draw eclipse. Here I'm changing the strokes and the stroke profile here. So here this is a scooter icon. Here I can see this is command control C command for the Mac, and control for the window, F for the paste in font. Taking another circle with the help of Alt. So here I'm going to draw, and this grid is always help you with the help of pen tool. I'm going to draw this one, and actually icon is a completely simple thing, and with the icon we message to our viewers something else. So this is will be clean, and I'm deleted this part. I'm not happy with these things, and here I'm going to draw this the font part. This is basic shape, and this guideline and this boxes help me what and how far I need to draw. So this is actually geometric shape, and with the help of and you can see this I'm intentionally do this is overlapping for the cutting edge, and with the help of direct selection tool I modify this some areas, and control C and control F, see here, and now unify this thickness 21. Okay, now selecting all of this little bit of things, group this two of things, control G, and in the screen you can see this what key I stroke or hit. Here you can see this overlapping path, and so I'm deleting this thing and with the help of shape builder, and shape builder tool is a very helpful tool. And couple of time the arrow key, you can see this arrow over here, and this screen will help you what purpose and why I what type of strokes I give. So here this is the part, and now if you are working with me, just follow me, and couple of time increase the line to the left side, and here there is a wheel of the second wheel. Now here this is a tricky part, control plus shift and increase this line here. Okay, and now with the help of shape builder tool I'm deleting this extra unnecessary part. So cut it out. Now here is scooter like of thing, and now increase this line, control Z for those things, and now cut it out, and now cut it these things, circle, control A, and delete the unnecessary wheel here from here, and paste it and place it the line. So line and grid is always helpful. Always go to the preferences and control for the Windows and command for the Mac. Always remember this, control and K for go to the preferences, and you can check the guidelines. You can increase or decrease according to your design. So here I'm going to draw or going to create the headlights. So here headlights. Just enjoy this tutorial. You are basically in my upcoming videos you will learn how to design icons, and believe me, icons is very helpful, and most selling in Shutterstock and other agencies like Alamy, like 123 RF vector files, most selling files, UPS files. So you can draw icon and sell it. Okay, so and do one thing, you can do one thing, sell it to your own website. If you are interested to make your own website, you can contact with me, or you can tell me to make a tutorial about this. I will definitely help you. So here the headlights, and after that the mirror, and here the handle. So remember one thing, icon should be very simple and no exaggerated part. Icon should for because why and where we use icon is using for the appraisal purposes, or the some type of, you can see this add to card, any website when you are check out anything, you can see this add to card in top bottom part. So that's the icon, the concept of icon. So icon actually should be very very simple, because icon and it's very necessary for anything, and it's gives you a elegant look, gives you a message. So icon should be very simple. So here I'm going to make the seat and the setting arrangement here. So I'm going to make it round, and so with the help of basic tools and basic shape, you can design this icon. If you are learning with me, please follow me, and this is with the help of curvature tool. And my suggestions is that don't use the curvature tool, because curvature tools frequently it's give you the lots of points, and it's looks very messy. So I will teach you when and where you use curvature tool. So this is an instant, so you can do with me, and DM to Instagram Karthikart @Karthikart, and follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to increase the thickness. It's now it's looks very elegant. Now what I'm going to do, just make a with the help of this design, I can make a poster, and this poster was you can use for the t-shirt purpose. So this is a very innovative idea. With the help of one things, you can actually do two purposes. So here I'm going to take a A4 size paper, and now with the help of the preferences, I'm going to take this gridded. So life is beautiful, I'm going to write down here. So I'm changing this this, you can see this letter. Experiment if I do tilt this letters, it's looks beauty or not, so it's not looks very cool. So I'm just going to make a cool t-shirts but elegant. So it's give you message like life is beautiful, so you can life is beautiful and right. So it's give a message. So I'm doing here the elegant look. So I'm choose the elegant font. So it's changing this something. Flatten transparency is very important when you are submitting your work to any agency. And now outline, and this is black, and another outline here, this is this one. So you can do with the same things with this scooter, but see, this is red and this is red. You can do this. This is simple t-shirt design ideas. With the help of this icon, you can follow me, okay, or create your own the new ideas. I'm taking another copy of these things, and now making a t-shirts. And t-shirts making is very easy. You can see this how I make this t-shirt mock-up, and reflecting the reflecting effect is very important here. I'm just reflecting this part, this part I'm going to reflect, transform, and here putting side by side, and merge it and cut it for the neck purpose, neck portion. So merge it, and now here taking some thing like this, and this one. Okay, just enjoy this tutorial. I can definitely learn something. So cut it out with the help of shape builder tool, and here I'm going to definitely cut the extra portion. Okay, now cut it out, check it, the other thing. Now it here, see this things, you can change the color also, this yellow, and this one also. And let's see, this handle and the mirror is not looking, that's changing the strokes options. See, now it's visible. So here you can change this things like this, and okay. So here this is the tutorial. Thank you very much.